Hello, Numberblock friends! Welcome to my kitchen. I am cooking today my famous vegetable soup for my friends. Will you help me cook? Fantastic! It surely is a lucky day. First, we will need 1 onion, 2 peppers, 3 carrots, 1, 2, 3, and 4 potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So many tasty vegetables, I can't wait for my friends to try it. Now let's leave all those juicy vegetables to bubble away and we will be back in 2 hours. Hello 2, that was a great movie last night. It's raining rocks, amigo! I'll try, amigo. Let me climb up this castle. Whoa! Ah! It was hilarious. My eyes were watering. The terrible twos finally got a taste of their medicine. At last! I couldn't agree more. Soup is almost ready. We feel like being naughty. Terrible two's naughty. We've a special ingredient to add to this soup. Chili flakes! Doubled up! It will burn their blocks off! Looking good, amigo. Quick! Before they come back! Let's go! Soup's ready! I just spent hours over the hot cauldron making Grandma's special vegetable soup recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Didn't you have a square bowl, 7? Smells delicious. I can't wait to tuck in. All right, I'll give it a go. What's happening? My tongue, it's burning. I'm on fire. Water! There is a tickle to the tongue. What's happened to you all? You're all red. Fire! Burning! It's hot! Get me a drink, 7! Their blocks are burning! They've all gone red! I need something cold to cool down. I'll go see if I've got some ice cream. Oh no! We're all out! Let's go see if 10 has some next door. Let's follow them, amigo, and see what they do next. I'll ring the doorbell. I sure do hope she's home. It's an emergency. Sorry it took me so long to get to the door. I was in the bath. 10, what's happened to your face? It's blue. I was having an ice bath. It's supposed to be good for the bones. Never mind that. Burning! Have you got any ice cream, 10? My mouth's on fire! And quick! Yes, I was making some soup and it went a bit wrong. I'll go check the fridge. Good work, amigo. They all look like they've been sunburnt. Never underestimate the terrible twos. You're in luck. I got some ice lollies yesterday. Here you go. See if it helps. I need some too. Save some for me. Don't forget the little one. Well, is it helping? Not doing a lot here. I think so. Brain freeze! Too cold! Nope, still burning here. I can't decide what's happening to me. There's an ice cold bath upstairs still if you want to give that a go. First floor to the left. I'll try anything. Ah, ice cold bath. But my blocks are still burning. Who has an ice cold bath? Wait a minute, I feel my bones. It's freezing. Too cold. I'm not sure how I feel yet. Feeling better after that cold bath? It should take years off of your blocks too. Not quite sure, feeling hot and cold. I'm just cold. Well, I've made some hot cocoa topped with marshmallows for us all. Smells great. I feel something happening. Something warm's happening in my belly. And me. Me 4. We've got our colours back. I'm rainbow coloured again. Lucky number 7.
Yay!
And I'm 2 orange blocks again. And I'm 4 green square blocks. And I've got my yellow back. Ah, see, that's all we needed, a hot cup of cocoa. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us. See you in the next one.